The world of cryptocurrency trading can seem daunting at first, a whirlwind of charts, graphs, and fluctuating prices. However, with the right guidance and platform, navigating this exciting new financial landscape becomes an achievable goal. This is where Binance enters the picture. Binance is a leading global cryptocurrency exchange, providing a platform for users to buy, sell, and trade a wide array of digital assets. Think of it as a bustling marketplace, specifically designed for cryptocurrencies. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, Binance provides access to a diverse selection of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and capitalize on the ever-evolving crypto market. So, let's dive in and unlock the potential of Binance together. Before you can begin trading on Binance, you'll need to create an account. This process is straightforward and designed with user convenience in mind. Simply navigate to the Binance website and locate the Register button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. You'll be prompted to provide an email address and create a strong password. Once you've submitted your information, Binance will send a verification email to the address you provided. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your email address and activate your account. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations! You're now a registered Binance user, ready to explore the world of crypto trading. With your Binance account set up, the next step is to deposit funds that you'll use for trading. Binance offers multiple methods for depositing funds, including bank transfers and cryptocurrency transfers from external wallets. To deposit funds, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here you'll find the option to deposit. Select your preferred deposit method and follow the on-screen instructions. If you're depositing cryptocurrency, Binance will provide you with a unique deposit address for the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Once your deposit is confirmed, you're ready to start trading. Navigating the Binance interface is key to successful trading. Understanding its layout and features can significantly enhance your trading experience. The platform might seem overwhelming at first glance, but it's designed with user-friendliness in mind. With a bit of practice, you'll find it intuitive and easy to use. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the main trading dashboard, which provides an overview of market data, your account balance, and open orders. This dashboard is your central hub for all trading activities. The left-hand side of the screen typically displays a list of available cryptocurrency trading pairs. This list is essential for quickly finding and selecting the pairs you want to trade. Clicking on a trading pair will take you to the trading chart for that specific pair. Here you can analyze the pair's performance in detail. The trading chart is the heart of the Binance platform, where you can view historical price movements and technical indicators. This section is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Familiarizing yourself with these key sections of the Binance interface will set you on the path to becoming a more confident and informed trader. Take your time to explore and understand each feature, and soon you'll navigate the platform with ease and confidence. Section 5. Spot trading, buying and selling your first cryptocurrency. Spot trading is the most common type of trading on Binance, allowing you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the current market price. To execute a spot trade, navigate to the trading chart of the cryptocurrency pair you're interested in. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, BTC, using Tether, USDT. You would search for the BTC USDT trading pair. On the order entry form, select the spot trading option. Enter the amount of BTC you want to buy, or the amount of USDT you want to spend. Once you're satisfied, click on the Buy BTC button to place your order. Congratulations, you've just placed your first spot trade on Binance. Section 6. Market orders versus limit orders, understanding the difference. When placing a trade on Binance, it's essential to understand the distinction between market orders and limit orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the best available market price. Market orders are executed instantly, ensuring that your trade is filled quickly. However, the trade-off is that you have less control over the price at which your order is executed, especially in volatile market conditions. On the other hand, a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you're willing to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. Choosing between market orders and limit orders depends on your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Section 7. Binance fees. What to expect and how to minimize costs. Like any financial platform, Binance charges fees for its services. Binance employs a maker-taker fee structure, where fees are determined based on whether your order adds liquidity to the order book, maker, or takes liquidity from it, taker. Maker orders typically incur lower fees than taker orders. Holding Binance Coin, BNB, the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange, can further reduce your trading fees. You can choose to have your trading fees deducted from your BNB balance, which often results in a significant discount. By being mindful of Binance's fee structure and utilizing available discounts, you can optimize your trading costs and improve your overall profitability. Section 8. Security first. Safeguarding your Binance account. Security should be a top priority when trading cryptocurrencies. Binance offers robust security measures, but it's essential to take proactive steps to protect your account from unauthorized access and potential threats. Enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA is paramount. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Always double-check the URL of the Binance website before entering your login information. Use a strong, unique password for your Binance account and avoid reusing passwords from other online accounts. By following these security best practices, you can significantly enhance the safety of your Binance account and protect your valuable crypto assets. Section 9. Binance Resources, Tools and Features for Successful Trading. In this section, we will explore the various tools and features that Binance offers to help you succeed in the world of cryptocurrency trading. Binance offers a wealth of resources and features to empower traders of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Whether you are just starting out or looking to enhance your trading strategies, Binance has something for everyone. One such resource is Binance Academy, a comprehensive educational platform that provides articles, videos, and glossaries covering various aspects of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. This platform is designed to help you understand the complexities of the market and make informed decisions. For traders seeking advanced charting tools and technical indicators, Binance offers TradingView integration. This feature allows you to analyze market trends, identify trading opportunities, and execute your strategies with precision. Binance also provides a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices, allowing you to access your account, monitor the markets, and execute trades on the go. The app is user-friendly and ensures that you never miss an opportunity, no matter where you are. The mobile app is designed to provide a seamless trading experience, offering the same functionality and features as the desktop platform. You can perform technical analysis, set alerts, and manage your portfolio with ease, all from the palm of your hand. By leveraging these resources and exploring the various tools and features available on Binance, you can gain a competitive edge and make more informed trading decisions. Whether you are using the desktop platform or the mobile app, Binance equips you with everything you need to succeed in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading. Section 10. Tips for beginner traders, navigating the crypto waters. Navigating the world of crypto trading can be overwhelming for beginners. The sheer volume of information, the rapid pace of market changes, and the technical jargon can make it seem like an insurmountable challenge. Here are some essential tips to help you get started on the right foot. 1. Start small. Begin with a small amount of capital that you're comfortable with potentially losing as you learn the ropes. This approach allows you to gain experience without the stress of significant financial loss. 2. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, thoroughly research its underlying technology, team, and market potential. Understanding the fundamentals can help you make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. Diversification can protect you from the volatility of any single asset. 4. Set realistic expectations. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically in short periods. Don't expect to get rich quickly. Set achievable goals and understand that building wealth through trading takes time and patience. 5. Manage your risk. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profits when you reach your desired profit targets. Risk management is crucial to protect your capital and ensure long-term success. 6. Stay informed. Keep up to date with industry news, market trends, and regulatory changes that could impact your investments. Staying informed helps you anticipate market movements and make timely decisions. 7. Don't panic sell. Emotional trading can be detrimental to your portfolio. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Emotional control is key to maintaining a steady course in the volatile crypto market. 8. Practice patience. Cryptocurrency trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stick to your trading plan, and don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Consistency and discipline are your allies in this journey. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success in the exciting world of crypto trading. Remember, continuous learning and practice are key to success in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to the changes in the market to stay ahead. Section 11. Conclusion. Embark on your Binance trading journey today. Binance stands as a global leader in cryptocurrency trading, offering a comprehensive platform for seasoned traders and newcomers alike. By following the step-by-step guide outlined in this essay, you've gained valuable insights into the world of Binance trading. From creating your account and depositing funds to understanding different order types and managing risk effectively, you're well equipped to embark on your crypto trading journey. The crypto market is brimming with opportunities for those willing to delve in, learn, and adapt. So take the first step, open your Binance account today, and begin exploring the exciting world of crypto trading.